Bor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakabenta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Myntri ke tanat Bording ka Sorkar jela uba Paidbah lingdo ulong ba Shuwa ban Pynlip Bording ka Sorkar ka Jingtip lupa sya ki Paidbah khnang Jingtip bakan sadon ka Pynlip Bording halor ka jingkeno bahari lom garu ka Bording ka lep kumbah nyaw ne praganta ha ka sisingi ulong bakala bandai bakadon ka jing maromot lani ka pendaj Bording thamai hakikat tu kan ne teli ki sinong namar ba kumbah ka long menta ka pentre ya ki scheme Bording kitang yan ha kabaiday bat kamat Bording kabaday hamausan ram uloong baka jinge keren ya penbej kadang yad bat ka tanaru ka sngokhya ya ka jing ki Paidbah bat ka kwa baka eke kabale kanday nakabenta ka jing mento ki Paidbah.
I'll be sitting in the first week again to take a complete review on the entire power yes. And now there's a scheme which is we've just started. The additional household electrification is also one part of it. They've just started, and survey is being conducted by the concerned, contractors through the respective subdivision office, and which the work will commence immediately as far as that scheme is concerned. No, I think as far as the shutdown is concerned, whenever there is any kind of planned shutdown, the notice is being served accordingly. But there are a few things which are unforeseen. Like last night we had a heavy, cyclone and with heavy rain and so on. So those are unforeseen things one has to, understand about this. But we'll ensure that whenever there's any planned shutdown, we will definitely inform the public in advance.
That is the question, sir.
No, 7 to 8 hours, I'm sure this is planned shutdown, in fact, I'll tell you, because a lot of, ongoing schemes which are being taken up at different levels and different villages all across the state. So those are all planned. In fact, very close coordination is being maintained from the corporation, from the department, with the local authority, especially with the headman, the Yamura, the Nakumar, and so on, and through the concerned office, and we ensure that that is being maintained. So still now, as far as my info is concerned, that is being maintained. So what I've said just now is this is general for the entire state.
No, this
because ongoing scheme is very much in place now. This ongoing scheme will be there for another period of 1.5 to 2 years. So this will be there, but mostly planned shutdown is being planned accordingly and inform also to the public, much before the shutdown. That matter is in the, still under the discussion. We are working how to settle the thing. We have our own constraint also from the government. So we are trying to do and the best we could, because whatever initiatives that we are taking from the government or from the corporation is always for the interest of the people of the state. People should not suffer as far as power supply is concerned. That also is doing in good progress now. Again, just to tell you the exact status of that same, I will come to know only maybe on the first week of this May, when I take the complete review. I don't think much of a problem now, because everybody, they're showing they're satisfied with whatever they have, taken out the, as far as the smart meter is concerned. So I don't see much of a problem. Yeah, we have already, in fact, decided on the candidature, so we have already selected. So, but unfortunately, the things came out like that, and the thing has to be deferred and postponed till the next day.
We have ensured that no construction will be allowed, and hence, even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction will be allowed in that particular island.
Lakot ika shnong nang ikwa yo sngo bahan ika shnong de lakot kalayat dikila pen sngo hina shnong iki mat jongki ki if they keep apprehensions jongki ruki don hi convey bet yaki ka stand jong ka tourism department manginam don ka construction
te kumalong menta kani ka project kum kilai perkhat kum kilai plan kade ki ka ban penmi ki kam ki jam jong ki breu jong hi ki bon bha ki jing bha ki bala ban wan kane kawai ka project bi ki don mentang ne pb ru kayat bet ka tulun bet ka kam ki bon ki local pila ban pet yang to kan ungut ki bay yo kam to bon ki local hi.
Government has made it clear in the agreement that no structure is going to be allowed in the island.
Kanu ka commercial unit ka bawan hang ni ha ka jalla kadon kata kendon ka ba 90% of non managerial posts kan led shaki locals 50% managerial posts ru kan led shaki local. Other than that ka shulang tang kata let us work together and let us promote our state for good things to come in the future for our youths and all other categories.
Namarba ka ka ba phi ang not ngiru hang ni Shuwa ban take up yung project. Day ban shoot ho bakla. Habang yung warra yaki investment. Habang yung warra yaki bakum kini ki project. Net yang nga opi kabakaduk ki jimantoy. Kanlong yang ki kon samla.
So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed. Thank you very much.